Here's one of the late model vehicles that we have in 2017 Cadillac Escalade here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Particular reason we usually have one of these around is the boss has to drive something, right? So he'll buy these a few years old, low miles, drive them for a while, and then pass them along, and he'll maybe get one of your newer, change up into a different kind of Cadillac. This particular one, 34,000 miles on it, slightly over 34,000. Like I said, that may vary just a little bit depending on how he drives it, or how much more he drives it, I should say. Nice black in color. This is the Platinum Edition, so it has every bell and whistle that I can think of on these Cadillacs. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the passenger door. Obviously power running boards, dual power seats, heated and ventilated seats. Sunroof in this one, that is power obviously. There's so much stuff on these. I can't even remember all the options that they have. Your side warning indicators. There's a car next to you in the passing lane, so you don't pull over and hit them. Actually vibrates the seat. As you can see, there's the dealer plate on it. And then driving your rear backup cameras, your rear backup assist. The list goes on and on and on. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, you can check out the still pictures. Sorry, I can't get any further away from it than I am. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Power rear hatch. And then once you get on the inside, you have the power folding seats. There's the floor mats to it. There's the plastic protective carpeting. I should say the plastic to protect the carpeting in it right now, but there are the floor mats. Again, if it power opens, it'll power close. Flashlights warn you it's closing. As you can see, this vehicle's in nice shape. I did notice there's a couple little dingers. You can get them to stand out or show up. There you go. See a couple there. And there was a couple little ones that you may be able to PDR down in the bottom of the driver's door there. Anything else? Possibly a little scuff up on the front. I don't know if you can see that, but give us a call if you got any questions on it. We'll sure give it the once over for you. Nice vehicle, 34,000 miles on it. Look at the back seats here. You get screens in the headrests on both sides. You got the video screens up on the roof for second and third row. So 2 of them on the roof, bucket seats in the second row. Power boards working on this side also. And there they go up. Around. There's your miles, 34,000. You can see that. Stereo system navigation. All the steering wheel controls. Like I said, bells and whistles. All-wheel drive, 2-wheel high, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel low. So like I said, give us a call. You got any questions on this one? 2017 Escalade Platinum Edition, 34,000 miles on it. Basically our owner's demo, owner's personal driver. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, you can check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available, and of course, we do consider trades.